Previously, I got this big laser, and I have this air conditioner from before I got the laser, and then the cooler sitting in the back. And so now I need to build a stand so I can hold the cooler and the air conditioner and raise that air conditioner up so the vent part is above the actual laser. So this will be a little montage of the SketchUp design that I did to do that. Okay, at this point in the video, I would, if I was going to export to my CNC, I could just stop right here because I would just export those components that I just separated to my CNC file in Vectric. First, I would tag each of the components on separate tags so that I would know where they go when I import them into Vectric, and it would make it easy to import into Vectric. If somebody would like to see a video on that, let me know. Put it in the comments section, and I can show you how to export from Sketchup into Vectric. Seems there's some confusion about that because it must be saved as a 2019 file or earlier for Vectric to import it. Because I'm not going to export the files to actually use in Vectric, the next steps you're going to see are me separating or copying each of the components and putting them on facsimile plywood that I've already pre-sized to plywood sheets I have in my shop to allow me to accurately cut and efficiently cut the pieces, and then I can start constructing the actual cart. Okay, that's how I would actually design something in SketchUp. Sometimes I'm good at it and fast, and sometimes it takes me a while. This is obviously sped way up. And from here, then I would use that plywood sheet facsimiles and start cutting up the components and start putting it together. This cart is going to be built using pocket joinery. I find that very strong and efficient to use. And I will be cutting all the pieces on my table saw or with my track saw as I see fit when I do the project. And then I'll put it all together. If anyone is interested in me actually filming the build of that project, say something in the comment section, and I will go ahead and try to do that to the best of my ability, and post a follow-up video with the build of this AC cart, and just let me know. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching, and if anybody's interested in further videos like this, let me know. I know it wasn't a step-by-step instruction video. I tried to lay out the process on how I would go through actually designing something in SketchUp and then taking that to the actual build. And once again, if somebody's interested in me showing at that midpoint how I would now export this SketchUp file and import it into Vectric and then actually have my CNC cut all the parts, let me know. If I had a bigger CNC, I would do that. I have a 2x3, and so therefore my sheets I don't want to break down and then recut them if I can just do it all in the table saw real efficiently. But if I had a 4x8 CNC, I would just simply throw those sheets of plywood on there and let it cut. I know this wasn't a full build video, as I mentioned before. It was a little bit of a different process. If you liked it, please let me know. Share, comment, and if you like what I'm providing, then go ahead and subscribe. Until we see each other again through this medium, hope you're having a wonderful life, a great day, and go out and make some chips.